to my YouTube channel. It's your girl RBJ, that's Jay. And in today's video, I'm going to be doing mini twists on stretched hair. Now, mini twist is a protective style, but most importantly, it's a low manipulation style. So with the low manipulation style, that means that once you put it in, you don't really have to mess with it too much. Depending on how long you keep it in, you might have to go through and redo a couple of twists just to make it look a little bit fresher. But for the most part, you will not have to touch your hair after you do this style. Okay, so to stretch my hair, I'm going to be using this blow dryer brush. Now, I promise y'all I did a review on this brush. I did a stretched braid out, edited the entire video, a very well edited video, and then I lost all the footage. And I was not about to redo that. So y'all just gonna have to see the results when I use it this time. And in order to protect my hair, because we don't want no heat damage, I'm going to be using this CHI or Shy Iron Guard. It's a thermal protection spray. I'm going to be using this before I use this. And I'm also going to go in with this Mielle White Peony leave-in conditioner and some grapeseed oil, because I did just wash, condition, and deep condition my hair. Now, because we're in a hotel room, there aren't any plugs right where I'm at, and this is the best lighting in this room. So I'm actually going to have to use this off camera and just show you guys the stretched out hair afterwards. Alright guys, so I am back, and as you can see, that Detangling blow dryer brush got my hair pretty dang on stretched out. Now, before we get into these mini twists, I do want to say, one, my channel is basically just so that you guys can watch my natural hair journey, and if my natural hair journey ends up helping you on your natural hair journey on the way, then even better. So let me hit you with this tip on protective styles. Protective styles are 60% prep, 40% execution. And what I mean by that is the way you prep your hair before a protective style means everything. It dictates the success and failure of your protective style. Does this protective style help or hurt your hair? The reason I do protective styles is so that my hair will grow. So that I'm not like pulling on it and losing length on my ends. And the only reason that it will grow is if I'm prepping it correctly. So that means deep conditioner, leave-in conditioner, and oiling my hair before I put the protective style in, so that all of that is locked in there and doing its job while my hair is in that protective style. So what I'm going to be using to do this style is this Mielle Pomegranate and Honey Twisting Souffle. I won't be using any gel or anything with it, because from my experience using it, gel just causes it to flake. So this product for me is better used on its own. So if you found a gel that works with this, let me know, because my gels do not work with this. Row is all parted out. I'm going to show y'all that. Don't know how well it's parted, but it's parted, and that's all that matters, guys. So I'm going to do really small sections. Let's try that and see how that turns out. So this is the size of the first section, and I'm basically just going to be seeing how that turns out, because we can always take it down and start over. Okay, I'm just going to take a little bit of the twisting cream because I don't want to revert my hair back to curly, which I think I just did. What y'all think? Too small or just small enough? I think if I do them this size, it's gonna take me all day. And they're gonna be super frizzy in this size. So I think I'm going to add a little bit more. I done reverted my hair back. I think I'm gonna do a little bit more hair in this section. I think that's the same size. But we just gonna keep going and see what happens. This is basically just what I'm going to be doing on my whole head, is really small 2-strand twists. Why is this one bending like that? I don't like that. Anyway, these are mini twists. This one is a little chunky, but like this and this is what I mean by mini twists. Okay, so I'm gonna try to keep them this size throughout my whole head. I'm gonna go ahead and do the back of my head, and then I will be back when it's time to do the front, because you guys won't be able to see me doing the back anyway. All right, I'll be back, guys. So I finally finished the back of my hair. This is what things are looking like back here. Let's go ahead and get on to the front, because I have been doing this way too long. So, like I said, I am going to be doing a middle part up here. So let me just go ahead and repart this, because somehow it got messed up. I'm pretty sure everybody knows how to do a 2-strand twist, but if not, let me show you. No judgment, I'm here to help. Okay, so I'm just gonna use a little bit of product, because we don't want it to get back curly. And once again, I probably use a bit much. And then with a 2-strand twist, basically you're just taking these 2 pieces and wrapping them around each other. So I'm just taking this finger here, my middle finger, sorry, and I'm just grabbing the other piece and bringing it on top of the first piece. This one is really loose, but yeah. So I'm just taking that middle finger again, grabbing that second piece, and bringing it over to first. And then keep doing that all the way to the bottom. I grabbed a piece of hair from over here. Keep doing that all the way to the bottom. And then we're gonna shingle it. I've seen people do it other ways. I'll show you one other way that I've seen people do it. In my opinion, this one is harder. I always get my fingers like tangled up in each other when I do it this way, because the way I just showed you is the way I've been doing it since I was taught how to 2-strand twist. But this way I saw another YouTuber do, and it confuses me, but hold on. Okay, so this is the way I saw somebody else do it. So you separate them into two, and then you kind of use this hand to grab it and pull it over like that. So you're just grabbing it from underneath and pulling it over. Grabbing it and pulling it over. So they're like basically taking the same piece and wrapping it around like that. And you're still using that middle finger that I showed you guys, but I don't know. This one just seems a lot more difficult. Whereas my way, you're just doing this. I don't know. The twists don't look no different. These are the two ways. And they came out the same. Just, you know, people learn things different ways. So I am finished, at least with the twisting part. So this here is the front and the back. I just know there are a lot of twists in my head. I haven't decided if I'm going to do like some hair jewelry or beads. I don't know yet. I kind of want to keep it like, I don't know, y'all. I kind of want to keep it like this, but I feel like this makes it look a little too casual. You know what I mean? Like it looks like I just walked out the house with a twist out. Like an unfinished twist out. But if I add jewelry, I don't know, it kind of just like spices it up. I don't know. I'm gonna do my edges and then I'll decide. Actually ended up putting the jewelry in. I called my sister and she said I should put jewelry in it, and I'm actually happy I put it in there. It looks really, really cute. But that's all I have for you guys today. I hope you really enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.